Hello everyone, this is K-Size China. Today, we are introducing an ORP sensor, the KW550. This sensor uses a patented ORP electrode with a service life of over 20 months. It is suitable for measuring various environmental water qualities, as well as acidic, alkaline, and saline solutions, and can also be applied to ORP monitoring in chemical reactions and industrial production processes. It meets the requirements of most industrial applications for online ORP measurement. The KW550 sensor features an RS-485 interface and supports the Modbus RTU protocol, making it easy to connect with PLCs, industrial control computers, or 4GDTUs. The video will simultaneously display the detailed specification sheet of this product for reference. Installation and wiring. For installation, the sensor has a threaded fitting on both the top and bottom, with a thread size of 3/4 NPT. The threaded fitting at the bottom is primarily used for installing the sensor protective housing. It supports immersion, top-mounted, pipeline, or sidewall installation, but inversion or horizontal installation is not allowed. For wiring, a 4-core twisted shielded cable is used. The wiring definition is as follows. Red. Connect to 12 to 24 VDC power positive. Black. Connect to power ground. GND. Blue. Connect to RS-485A. White. Connect to RS-485B. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed to prevent water ingress from affecting normal operation. All wiring points must be properly waterproofed, and the user cables should have adequate corrosion resistance. Power on. How to read sensor measurements via Modbus commands. Next, I will demonstrate how to use Modbus commands to read the sensor address and measurement values. The sensor's default communication parameters are 9600 bps, 8 data bits, 1 stop bit, no parity. The default sensor address is 04, and the broadcast address is FF. If we do not know the sensor address, we can use the broadcast address to access the sensor address. Send the command FF0320020001. Then click Send. At this point, the sensor returns the data 004, where 04 is the sensor address. Now, using the obtained sensor address and referring to the product manual, we know that the sensor's measurement value is stored in register 0x00, and occupies 2 registers. Therefore, we use the sensor address 04 to read the measurement value and enter the command 040300000002. Click Send. The sensor returns the following data: 00F1000F1, where 00F1 represents the measurement value, 0000 represents the number of decimal places of the measurement value. Next, we convert the measurement value to decimal for explanation. Open the calculator, clear it. Select hex, and convert F1 to decimal. The result is 241. The number of decimal places is 0, so the measurement value is 241 MV. After viewing, contact us for more product details or model selection via our official email or phone. We understand your needs.